How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the second video. As you can tell, we got the frame back from the welder. I have my helper here today, Casey. He is my neighbor and nephew. We also got a package in from CP Addict, Complete Performance out of Jasper, Texas. Make sure to check them out. Use my discount code Maroon Brick. I'll put it in here as well. It'll be in the description as well. Great guys. I mean, anything you could possibly need for an OBS truck. Interior parts, exterior parts, suspension parts, hard to find trim pieces, door panel repair kits, everything you guys can think of, check them out. We got the frame back from the welder. It was shortened down 39 inches, so now the cab and bed will fit on this frame perfectly. I got some custom cab mount spacers built by the welder as well. That way I wouldn't have to stack washers or any of that goofy stuff. Today we're going to be stripping down the frame a little more, getting it ready for paint. I will have to drill a couple of holes that got covered, but that won't be a big issue. So let's get to it. Yeah, so this is about the time I realize you guys really don't care to see this, so we're going to go ahead and skip forward a little bit. And this is the point where I decided there is no way I'm grinding down this entire frame. Instead, let's go ahead and get it sandblasted. I have a guy that does sandblasting here locally. For whatever reason, this next part, it did not record me putting the cab onto the frame. So I'm going to be backing the frame in along with the cab already attached to it. I'm going to set the bed down just to make sure everything lines up, and then go ahead and take it all apart again to go get sandblasted. Chance to see what the truck is eventually going to end up looking like. I went ahead and bolted down the bed just to make sure everything was going to line up, and it did. I did find out that I'm going to have to raise the bed up about an inch to get it even with the cab, but that's not a big issue. I also went ahead and included the pictures of the frame here, because from this point forward it's just going to be heading off to the sandblaster. It's the next day. It's now Wednesday. Sandblasting day. Jesus. Sorry, I woke up literally 20 minutes ago. I'm running about 2 hours behind. I'm going to keep this real short and sweet. I need to get this cab and bed off. I need to get these axles yanked off, get it all loaded onto the trailer, and get it out of here because it's got to be in powder coating in 4 hours. So let's get this going.